Hi guys, once again this is Alfred from BinaryOptionsTutor.com. Trying to tape a quick bet before I may get knocked out. Um, I got in a bet, a low bet on In The Money for this strike here, which is 111.82. Uh, let's take a look at the charts. Well, let me explain something. This is already 12.25 in the profit. And so the current price right now is like 92.25. I got my current price set to 95, and I'm just showing you that you can, like I done in the other, but I think I done a video and I've uploaded it, but my working order didn't get hit. But I think maybe my working order might get hit this time, and if it does, then it'll take me out of the bet for um most of the potential profit. Now, this is an hour-long bet, but you see the market really has to move pretty dramatically in your favor for you to get uh, get knocked out or taken out of that working order. And basically, you can see it's what I've been describing. Just using this channel surfer, I really didn't get perfectly below the wicks because there's a wick, this wick right here that kind of pierced where I believe the number actually will be. But we had such a good move, and I saw this little breakout pattern here, and we were already bouncing off the lows. You see, we got to that big channel there, and we started wicking and we started bouncing. Then we crossed that 6 hour average low. Then we crossed that 6 hour average high over here, and there was my breakout. And I got in a while ago in the money. It was below this wick, and it's kind of piercing this wick, but it looked like the momentum was so strong, and they gave me a good price. I think in the other video that I showed you guys, I really couldn't get a good price, and I wanted to show that it is possible, even in a live account. Before someone says, "Well, where would you want to get that price if you were in a live account?" Because I took my time doing the other video and demo. But see, it is possible to catch a price. There's my price, which is what I was talking about, 20 to 50 bucks. That's 80. So that means that I had a potential of 20 bucks right there. So I'm gonna stop the video right here. If I get knocked out, then I'll come back and end it there, and we'll talk about what happened. If I have to hold through the whole thing, then I'll come back. I'll try and come back around the end, and we'll see what happens with the bet. That's all, guys. Once again, this is Alfred for BinaryOptionsTutor.com. Okay, guys, I'm back with an update on that little live bet. As you can see, my working order got popped, and that's fine. Uh, I only got into the bet like in this candle here, so I have this candle, and really two more candles to wait on the bet. So it's like, why would I wait more than twice the time if there was only really like $5 left in the bet potential for me? You know, let's see, of the bets, when I got in, I had 51 minutes in the bet. Let me do the math real easy. So let's just round it. Let's just say I had an hour in the bet. If in less than half an hour in the bet, I can recoup 75% of the potential value of the bet, then it's a good idea for me to leave the bet. Also, I want to point something out. This bet worked as soon as I got in. Just like sometimes I'm trying to tape even a demo, what I'm looking to happen starts happening and popping. It can make it hard to get into the bet at the price that you want. That's just the honest to goodness truth. But that's the way with anything I've ever traded. That's always going to be a challenge. It's even more of a challenge if you were trading stocks because the guys will gap and feel you. They'll just walk right over you wherever you were trying to get in. But that's another story. I did get in at my good price, which was $80, and they were starting to move. They hadn't broke. See, like this area right around here in my 6 hour average, they hadn't broke. Then I got in there, and then they just really shot because this is really essentially just a breakout trade. Now, someone's gonna say, "Well, you could have surely held the bet to the end, though, Alfred." Okay, the when I done this video, you'll know. I always said, well, when you get up here, I know that someone's over 15 pips in the money, and I said usually we get stuck somewhere between the channels, these 4 hour channels, in this 15 pip purely price move. So another thing is this is great to look at, and the breakout happened, and I could sit here and tell you I'm a psychic, but in reality, every time I trade a breakout, I might think it's going to break out, but I don't know how far it's going to break out. And I still had 45 minutes, like uh, 30 minutes, let's say, until the bet was over. And there was only $5 left, guys. So, again, when you get tempted, oh, I want to milk this puppy for everything. Sometimes the big difference between people who are able to trade Nadex consistently is sometimes you're just able to, not sit there to the very end because if there's a big bars going up, there can also be big bars going down inside of the next half hour because we know we're really making some tremendous moves here. That's all I had, guys. Just showing you guys a quick in and out, just the way I like them. In the money bet. On this time we were doing the hourly bets again. Low hanging fruit again. Once again, this is Alfred for Binary Options Tutor. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If we've helped you, please help us by sharing this content with others. Oh, and hit the bell too to get notifications. I finally figured out what that's about. Later, guys.